Do you know what's special about the number 69? Its square and its cube uses every single digit from 0 to 9 exactly once. And 69 is the only number that does this. So 69 squared is 4,761, and 69 cubed is 328,509. Both of these combined use every single number from 0 to 9 exactly once. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the only number that does this. And 69, people complain about it on the internet a lot for reasons that are quite ridiculous. And that's another feature about it. Another thing about it is that it's a strobogrammatic number, meaning that it keeps its value and is rotated 180 degrees. It's the same thing upside down as it is right side up. In fact, there are other numbers that do this. The only one-digit ones that do this are 0, 1, 6, 8, and 9. But 1 doesn't really maintain value. But if you're just doing it as a straight line down, then it still remains 1. And because people write their ones like this sometimes, it's considered to be strobogrammatic. For the rest of this video, I'm going to be writing the number 1 as a straight line down, just so I can give you an actual visual on these numbers. So another number that does this is 1,961. And this is the last year to be strobogrammatic. The next strobogrammatic year would be 6009. So, for those of you that were alive in 1961, well, good for you, because I wasn't. I should have been. Well, if you're reading 7-segment display, you could consider 2002 to be a strobogrammatic year. I'll write that down for you. So here's the year 2002. If you flip it upside down, bang, still 2002. Unless you're reading 7-segment display. It also works for 5005, but we haven't reached the year 5005 yet, so you're probably going to have to wait a while. Like that. But you're not going to have to wait a while. For those of you that are well living, you're probably going to make it to the year 2112 to see the next strobogrammatic 7-segment display year. It's still 2112. It also works on 5115, which is the same thing. Except just like mirrored. But so as you can see, but those aren't really the correct way to write the numbers, though. So those don't really count. So these numbers that are strobogrammatic are actually quite rare, and it's because like numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. These just don't really maintain value when rotated. But 2 and 5 can still be the same in 7-segment display, but when you're running it like this, it doesn't really count. And there's an infinite number of these strobogrammatic numbers, obviously. And do you know what else is one of them? 6,918,169.